Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to search for filters on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for example, let's go ahead and take a post right here. Just click on the plus sign. Okay, for example, you have here stories, post, reels. Just post for now. Now let's go ahead and select a photo. For example, this one. Then just go ahead and hit on next. Now in here, as you can see, for post, we have filters. So just click on it and swipe through the filters available right here. And if you like one, just go ahead and select it. And once done, hit on the done button and you should be good to go. Now, for example, we have here reel. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select the same photo. As you can see here, we have this specific icon. All right. Now you can just go ahead and tap on it. And these are effects. You can select one, for example. Okay. Just select one if you like it. Well, just swipe down and it will be automatically added. All right. So another one. Let's go ahead over to story. Right here. Select the same photo. Tap on this drop down. And you should be able to see effects as well. Okay. These are filters also. All right. And there you have it. Those are the ways to search for filters here on Instagram. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.